A great way to help reinforce a storyline in a documentary is using the super dope newspaper effect. Achieving this effect is super easy to build in Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today we're going to be building the super easy newspaper effect that you see in a lot of documentaries, and you can use it to spice up any video. Documentaries often use newspaper clippings to help provide context to whatever their storyline they're trying to reinforce. Using an effect like this can help establish something like the time period, adding different perspectives, or even adding credibility to the documentary's narrative. In Premiere Pro, with your imported newspaper PNG and the clip you want to use, place them on the timeline. With the newspaper PNG selected, go to the effect controls and create an opacity mask to cover the initial photo on the newspaper. Then on your timeline, drag your clip under the newspaper PNG to cover the black hole that the opacity mask has left. Once this is done, nest the two clips together and in the effects folder, search for the transform effect and apply it to the nested clip. We will zoom with the scale function until you can only see the clip and none of the newspaper PNG. Go towards the middle of the nested clip and right-click and add a frame hold to create a still frame for when we exit this effect. With the transform effect, create a keyframe at the start of the freeze frame and then move 5 to 6 frames and zoom out the nested clip to reveal the newspaper. We'll ease in and out the keyframes. You can end the effect here if you'd like, but to make it more realistic, we're going to add a few more things. Let's create an adjustment layer and apply the Lumetri color effect from the effects folder. Using the exposure function, create a keyframe at the beginning of the zoom and the end of the zoom to simulate a flash. Search for the black and white effect in the effects folder and apply it to the nested clip. Now that's looking realistic. Let's add a highlighter effect to really help sell this animation. Make a new color matte and select the color for your highlighter. Drag the color matte onto your timeline above the freeze frame, and in the effects controls of the color matte, select the multiply blending option. In the effects folder, search for the crop function and apply it to the color matte. Crop it to cover the text of which you want highlighted. Create a keyframe on where you want to end the highlighted effect, and then move your playhead to where you want the animation begins, and then use the crop function to remove the color matte. And there you go, you've just created a realistic newspaper effect that can help tell a story or add some extra spice to your video, all within Premiere Pro. If you learned anything new from today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.